Australian homeowners, if you're choosing between hybrid and laminate flooring, this 3-minute video can save you a costly mistake. Australian heat and humidity change what works best. I'm Victoria from The Flooring Guys. We supply and install flooring across Sydney and Brisbane. I'll compare hybrid versus laminate on 3 things that cause most callbacks: water, movement, and feel noise. Hybrid is a rigid core floor designed to handle moisture and stay stable. Laminate is a wood-based core floor with a very realistic timber look and feel, but its performance depends more on installation and indoor conditions. If you have kids, pets, or you mop often, hybrid is usually the safer choice. Laminate today ranges from water-resistant to waterproof surface systems. For example, Quick Step markets Hydro Seal laminate as waterproof at the bevels, but in real homes, standing water and wet edges are still the risk zone. Now the Australian factor, movement. Humidity changes cause floors to expand and contract. Quick Step's laminate guidance notes, you can run up to about 13 meters only if the room doesn't see big temperature or humidity swings. And it still requires an 8-10 millimeter expansion gap around the perimeter. In Queensland, we treat movement as a bigger risk, so hybrid generally gives you more forgiveness, especially in open plan areas. On price, it depends on brand and subfloor prep. As a real example, we currently have a Best Buy's hybrid coastal black butt listed at $29 per square meter supply. But don't compare price alone. Compare thickness, wear layer, and warranty, and always order samples first. So what's best for most Australian homes? If you want the safest option for humidity and day-to-day spills, choose hybrid. If your home is consistently air-conditioned and you want the most timber-like feel, laminate can be a great choice. Just follow expansion and moisture rules carefully. If you want help choosing the right floor for your home, or you want a supply and install quote, call 1300 477 699 or tap the link in the description to contact the Flooring Guys. We'll help you get it right the first time.